Hey everyone, welcome back to Microscopic Biology, and today I made a video all about hair. One of my subscribers, Priyanka Pol, has suggested that I do this video. First, we're going to be viewing multiple types of hair, including eyebrow hair, hair from on the top of your head, and facial hair. Now, I've never viewed these hairs under a microscope, and I personally want to know exactly what they look like, so thank you so much, Priyanka Pol, for suggesting this video. First, what we're going to do is we're going to need a slide, which I have a whole set of them here, but I'm only going to be using two, and I'll just reuse them as we go on with the experiment. So, you can use tweezers to take out your hair. I've already done so, and I already have my specimen here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of drops of water, and ideally you would put a cover slide on top of this. However, since I do have cover slides, but I'm too lazy to go and get them, so I'm just going to be using another slide and just place it on top of it and use that as a cover slide. So you probably might be wondering two things. Why do I need a cover slide, and how do I get the slide off the other slide once I'm done with the experiment? Well, the way you can get them is after you're done, just grab it in the middle and twist in one direction, and as you can see, they just pull out right off. When reviewing three-dimensional objects, all the objects we're viewing under the microscope are three-dimensional. However, a microscope can really only show us two-dimensional stuff. So what cover slides do is they sandwich the specimen in between two layers of glass. What that does is it helps it make it easier for us to see the whole specimen at once, and it avoids unclear viewing. So that's why we use cover slides. And as you can see, there are easy substitutes for cover slides. If you don't have a cover slide, just place one slide on top of the other and you've got a cover slide pretty much. So now that I have my specimen ready, I'm ready to go into the microscope. And one thing that I'm going to be using today is an Microscope MD35 camera. This is what I use to capture all videos and images under my microscope. And if you want any more details, I can just ask me in the comments section below, and I'm happy to give those to you. So let's hop into the microscope. Thank you so much for watching that video. If you haven't already done so, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get notifications on every single video that we post here.